have your full weekend outlook from coast to coast on a very busy Weather Center.
Well, we made it to Friday. We're halfway through our show.
Right, we're with you till 8 o'clock Eastern today.
Right, good to have you. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dave Schwartz.
And I'm Alex Wilson. Our big story this afternoon is two big stories. It's what's happening in the tropics.
You know that hurricane hunters flew right into Hurricane Danny earlier today, and they gathered some valuable information. So let's start with our senior hurricane specialist, Brian Norcross.
Talk about that. We'll talk about the places that are seeing the wet weather down into parts of southeast New Hampshire, southern Maine. Notice all that moisture showing up on the water vapor. Flood advisories in effect for those areas as they have seen the heavy rain. There's a look at some of those heavy showers coming down in that region. We've got showers, though, from Maine all the way down towards Long Island through Connecticut and Massachusetts as well. But the heaviest rain just off to the west of 95, again, in parts of New Hampshire and into the state of Maine. So these are the areas to watch maybe for your drive home. If you have dinner plans as well, you could encounter some roadways with water on them. Cold front sliding off towards the east into the weekend. Those storms, though, will continue to fire up in that very moist air. Look at the available moisture. None of it off towards the west, feeling really good, feeling really pleasant out into parts of Pennsylvania and western central New York, but that moisture high into parts of New England, especially coastal New England. So these areas are going to continue to deal with showers and even rumbles of thunder as we head through the evening, the overnight, and into tomorrow morning, not to mention throughout the weekend. Here's a look at the model forecast. It does keep the showers and the thunderstorms in a lot of the same areas that are seeing them right now. So even through the overnight, parts of Maine could wake up to some rumbles of thunder. Eastern Massachusetts, same story for you. And in Boston, it's thunderstorms throughout the overnight, tomorrow morning, and even into the afternoon. They'll be hit or miss all across the area.
It's almost otherworldly to look at that, and we're looking at ourselves.
Right.
That hurricane looks like just a sheet, like a flat thing.
Yeah.
With not much happening.
Absolutely. It's really incredible. The pictures that we are able to get from space just gives a different perspective to the weather happening over us.
That's right. Yeah, 115-mile-an-hour winds. That's the latest on that one. It's half past the hour. Thanks for joining us on Friday afternoon. I'm Dave Schwartz along with Alex Wilson.
And the hurricane hunters are planning another trip into Hurricane Danny tomorrow. They're also going to be paying close attention to the surface of the sea. There's something very special they can learn from it, and we're going to explain next. But first, we've got to talk about some rain much closer to home.
You kind of edged off the bar. Are you headed somewhere?
Well, I got to go over here.
All
I'll
right.
miss you.
You got the maps?
I got the maps.
Okay.
I'll walk people through. It's really New England, Dave. You know, these are the areas where we've got that cold front moving through. This is where we've got the rain coming down. And through the weekend, that's the story. We are going to be dealing with humidity and showers and thunderstorms for coastal sections of New England. Notice Saturday night, and even Sunday from Maine down towards Connecticut. Sunday, we even get parts of New York and North Jersey in on the action. So watch for your plans to maybe be moved inside thanks to those showers and storms. Another area that we're watching very closely, the northern plains. Notice tomorrow, risk of severe weather from Minnesota down into parts of northeast Kansas. Saturday night, we'll be watching parts of Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri, and Kansas for the threat of severe weather. By Sunday, Chicago, Detroit, Paducah, and Louisville, Kentucky. That's going to be the area where we could see more shower and thunderstorm chances to bring lightning, heavy rainfall, and perhaps even the severe threats like hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Tomorrow, this is the area to watch. So Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, a little bit of the Dakotas, a little bit of Wisconsin, and the entire state of Minnesota under that threat. When we talk about the Torcon values, that's that threat of a tornado within 50 miles or chance. 3 out of 10 for eastern parts of Nebraska, West Iowa, and South Minnesota. That means a 30% chance of a tornado within 50 miles of those locations.